The subject of today's video are my 7 best Google ad tips that will make you more money. Hello, my name is Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. I'm a student of John Crestani, Devin Brown, and Anthony Morrison, and I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not. These are my 7 tips for creating effective Google ads on a small budget. Number 1. Set a clear objective. Before you can get specific with your conversion goals, you've got to think of the big picture. What are your overall business goals? Who is my customer? What are their needs? What problem can I solve for them? What are your advertising goals? How much can I spend? How much can I afford to lose? How many sales do I need to break even? Ideally, your goal is to make $2 for every $1 you spend on ads. Once you've got clarity on those things, you can narrow in on what is your actual tactical action plan. Say you're an affiliate marketer for an Amazon book-selling training course, and you want to sell 1,000 courses in a year. You first start with, it's best to start with an Excel spreadsheet so you can put all this on a spreadsheet and then you can save it and then keep reworking it. You take all the good headlines and ad copy from your affiliate, the affiliate's market site, website, and your affiliate's competition websites. Then you can take good headlines from any email swipes that your affiliate might offer. So you've got headlines and copy that you can take from the affiliate's website, your affiliate competitions websites. You can take their ad copy and headlines. You can also use headlines from any email swipes that the affiliate might provide you. 2, figure out your target audience. Your target audience is the most important element of your Google Ads campaign. You need to know who is meant to see your ads. Your ads are structured to appeal to your target audience, so you need to know who that is first. To figure out your target audience, think of your ideal customer. Many businesses make personas, where they create different types of people in their target audience. They use these personas to structure campaigns that appeal to these different types of people. For instance, men or women, children or seniors, dogs or cats, whatever that is. When you think of your ideal customer, what do they do? When do they go online? For instance, if they're working folks, then you'll want to catch them as they go to work, as they're still at work, and as they get off work. If they're retired senior citizens, you have to play with that time, maybe a little later in the morning, a little earlier in the evening, that sort of thing. And what do they use to conduct searches? Mobile phones, computers, tablets, and what are they seeking? What keywords do you think they're punching in to search for your product? These are important questions to ask yourself as you figure out the target audience for your pay-per-click ads. When you figure out your target audience, you can create Google ad campaigns that are better for them. 3, optimize keywords. Less is more. Use the Google Ads keyword planner and tools and settings. Like, for example, use this as an example, use this search term, like sell books on Amazon. Then click on the average monthly searches column and check off the top 20 to 30 keywords that have the most searches. That would apply to the exact customer you are trying to reach, and then paste that into your ad. It is best to highly target the best 20 to 30 specific keywords and not fall into Google's trap of adding hundreds of keywords, which become highly costly and highly ineffective. Also, keep your broad matches to only the top 1 or 2 most searched keywords. Then label only the following 4 or 5 most searched keywords to phrase match. And finally, the balance of your 20 to 30 keyword list to exact match. So it's 3 tiers. The broad, you only have 1 or 2, and that's the most searched keywords. Next would be phrase, which would be 4 or 5 phrase keywords, and those are the ones further down the volume order. And then finally, the end of the list would be exact phrases, and those would be your least search volume keywords. 4, optimize negative keywords. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal to ensure the integrity of your Google Ads campaign is to utilize negative keywords by telling Google that your product is not for that person, that your product is not for that person. You prevent your ads from showing on keyword searches that don't align with the customers you want. For example, if you're selling a training course on how to write and sell books on Amazon, negative keywords would be to exclude anyone who wants to sell his old used books for cash, because you're looking for authors and writers. You're not looking for people that want to sell all the books they have in their garage. 5, what devices, mobile, computer, or tablet, should I run my ads on? If you are on a tight budget, try choosing computers only and go to 100% negative on mobile phones and tablets. After a week or so, crunch your sales numbers and see if you can afford to start with a 30% positive on mobile phones. Unless you are a very heavy hitter, tablets should be turned off 100%. I know mobile phones play a huge part in Google Ads sales, but the return on investment can be very negative when starting up an ad. So be careful here till you see some success. 6, what countries should I run ads in? The top 5 countries are the USA, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and New Zealand. If you want to be highly conservative initially, do the USA and Canada only. Then start to branch out when you see some positive action. For those who are successful with the top 5 countries, you can also try Ireland, Israel, India, and Singapore, because a lot of people in those countries speak English. If English is, it could be like the main language. And finally, number 7, setting your maximum cost per click and daily ad spend. If you are starting with a brand new ad and do not want to get burned, set the daily ad spend to between $10 and $20 max, and the max per click to 50 cents and to no more than $1. I hope this Google ad guidance, which barely scratches the surface, helps you increase the sales of your product or service. You can learn more about Google Ad tips in the Partner with Anthony marketing course. I am enrolled in the Partner with Anthony training system, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, and he is a giant in the online marketing business. He has the dollar numbers to prove it and the click-to-funnel $1 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. To get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, click on the link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button. This is Don Novak. I'll see you next week with a new video to your continued success.